Hello everyone. Today we solve this type of problem. Log x base 2 plus log x base 3 is equal to 5. The different base. Find the value of x. Solution. Log x base 2 plus log x base 3 is equal to 5. We know that log a base b is equal to log a by log b. We apply here log x by log 2 plus log x by log 3 is equal to 5. We take log x common. 1 by log 2 plus 1 by log 3 is equal to 5. Yes, taking LCM. Then log x into log 2 into log 3. Yes. Taking LCM. Yes. Log x. Log 2 into log 3. Here. Log 3 plus log 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Then log x into, we know another one is log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. Yes, then same thing, log 3 into 2 divided log 2 into log 3 is equal to 5. Yes, then log x into log 3 into 2, it is 6 divided log 2 into log 3 is equal to 5. Log x on left hand side and this whole term will be here. Okay, move from here into log 2 into log 3 divided log 6. Yes, then after this we have to solve in two ways. Okay, solve in two ways. Yes, here log first way, log x is equal to 5 log 2 divided log 6 into log 3. Okay, because we find out x, that's why we have to solving from two ways. First way, then log x, log 3 multiply here, opposite side it will be divided. Log 3 is equal to 5 log 2 divided log 6. Yes, the next step is what? It is log x by log 3 is equal to 5 log 2 by log 6. We apply here log a by log b is equal to log a base b. We apply here log x base 3 is equal to 5 log 2 base 6. Yes, if log a base b is equal to x, then a is equal to b to the power x. Okay, this formula we apply here, this concept. Then what is this? X is equal to 3 5 to the power 3 to the power 5 log 2 base 6. See, log a base b is equal to x. This is equal to this. Then a is equal to b to the power x. Same thing, x is equal to 3 to the power 5 log 2 base 6. Yes. Then x to the power a into b is equal to x to the power a whole to the power b. We know this. Then x is equal to 3 to the power 5 whole to the power log 2 base 6. Then x is equal to 3 to the power 5. What is that meaning? 3 is multiplied into 5 times. Yes. Then 3 to the power 5 it is 243. 3 into 3 9. 9 3s are 27. Then like this you multiply. Then to the power log 2 base 6. This is the one answer of x. We have to solve from two ways. This is the first way answers. Okay. What is the second way? Log x is equal to 5 log 2 log 3 by log 6. Yes. What is that? Log x is equal to 5 into log 2 into log 3 divided by log 6. Okay. The second way is log x is equal to 5 into log 2 into log 3 divided by log 6. Log x by log 2 is equal to 5 into log 3 by log 6. Yes, same thing here. Log x base 2 is equal to 5 log 3 base 6. Yes, then x is equal to 2 to the power 5 log 6 base 3. Yes, because we see that one. In this one we see, if log a base b is equal to x, then a is equal to b to the power x. We apply here. Yes, x is equal to 2 to the power 5 log 3 base 6. Then x is equal to 2 to the power 5 whole to the power log 3 base 6. Then x is equal to 2 is 2 to the power 5 means what? 2 is multiplied into 5 times. Yes, then it is 32 to the power log 3 base 6. Yes, this is the another answers of x. We find out the two answers of x. This is the first answer of x in first way. This is the second answer of x in second way. Okay. Thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel to see this type of video. Thank you.